This little model, this third scale model, I built that in 1995. And I've never been satisfied with this thick magazine until I read about the Bruce feed system. And on 8 books, they got reprints when the Ron Rubel Enterprises, all of Dr. Gatling's drawings here. And some of them are good enough where you can build one of these. It looks like this. It looks just like the real one. We'll get rid of this here a minute here. It's made to fit right on the original part that the magazine fit into, with the little thumb nut on the front. The later ones, the thumb nut was on the back, but the ones that were first converted were like this. And then you have to make a little PVC loading blocks. Yep.
I'm recording. You want to say what you're doing?
Okay. Well, this is expensive Ely rapid fire match ammo. When it's gone, it's gone. Okay. Just take them and here you go. Okay, if you're ready, we'll go. We need a gunner and a loader, then a guy can kind of switch that back and forth uninterrupted. So, but like I said, if you were able to build this, you'll have the technology or the expertise to build one of these just off the patent drawings like I did. So, and I've had fun with it. So, good luck.